So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Thursday the 13th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we mentioned the 1190 here, trades slightly through its 1190 all the way down towards this 1188, from which we've seen the bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, test 1199, had a pullback, had this brief consolidation before we had a retest and break of that 1199. So prices can head up towards this 1204.69. We've now had a pullback down towards this 1204.69. We do appear to be holding it at present. So if we do continue to hold this 1204.69 and use it as a springboard for further continuation here to the upside on the XAUUSD. If we do continue to hold this at 1204.69, we are then looking for price head up towards that 1214.26, successful break from which then possibly looking for a move up towards that 1220.67. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 1220.67. I don't anticipate 1228 coming to focus here on the XAUUSD. If, however, we do turn around and we do fail to hold the 1204.69, the very next level of note here to the downside is move down towards that 1199. In around 1199, we do have the confluence of the 200 and 400 period moving averages. Sitting pretty close by, therefore increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. But if we do fail to hold this 1199, we're looking for a retest of that 1190 here on the XAUUSD. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside to bring us beyond the 1190, we are looking for price head possibly down towards that 1185. Previously, we found a pullback earlier. Since we've had this recovery to the upside, I'll pretty much highlight it on the daily chart. So we're looking for a move down towards 1185 if we do successfully break 1190, and beyond that we're possibly looking for a move down towards that 1180.42 here on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So we have mentioned that 1185. The 1185 was this pullback after we saw this sharp acceleration here to the downside for a test of that 1160. We saw this recovery towards 1199, had that pullback down towards 1185. Hence the reason why it's on the chart. So if we do see that pullback down towards 1185, see whether we do find support there on the XAUUSD. Now, more recently, as we can see, we've had a pullback beneath this 1199. We had a brief consolidation. And what we did see from yesterday was a strong break of that 1199, pretty strong close above the 1204.69. So we are testing 1204.69 at present. They closed near our highs yesterday. So if we do see that momentum fall through, looking to retest this previous high here and around at 1214.26. If we do see that continuation, again, we're looking for that 1220.67. Beyond that, we're looking for that 1228.20 here on the XAUUSD. So we do have our lows. We do have slightly higher lows. We do appear to be putting a third higher low there. So if we can hold on to this 1204.69 especially and break above their previous high, we are looking for a continued recovery here on the XAUUSD to the upside. But we're somewhat counter to the previous trend, but we do appear to have found support at a higher level. So we'll see if we do see this continued recovery. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.